Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video with K&K Thompson. What a guan. So today I am making quick breakfast, less than 5 minutes. What am I making for breakfast today? I'll be doing a scrambled egg sandwich and a cup of mountain pea coffee. And so I just want to use this moment to say welcome to all my subscribers, and for those that are watching and have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe when you finish watching the video. Give me a like, leave a comment. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just looking after breakfast for myself, and what I'm going to use is, just 2 eggs. So I like scrambled egg, I don't like fried egg. I like boiled egg as well, but today we are scrambling the egg. So I just scramble 2 eggs. I put a little bit of black pepper in my egg and a little bit of salt, and I just put a tubes of oil in the pot just to grease the pot bottom because I don't like too much oil. And what I'll do when the pot is hot, I will just pour my egg in and I will just scramble my egg. I don't like when it is mashed too much, so I will just take my time to just ease it away in the pan, and it might break up a bit, but that's fine. Don't want it to scramble too much, you know, like the mince out because I'm putting it on the bread. And so what I'll do next is put a little mayonnaise and a slice of butter. I'm just making one sandwich, and I cut up a little tomato and a little cucumber. And I'll put my scrambled egg on, and I'll put on my tomato, and I'll put on my cucumber, and I will just cover it with another slice of bread, and I will just use the knife to just cut it down the middle. Hold it firm, cut it down the middle, and that's it for my sandwich. That will be good enough for breakfast. And for tea, I usually drink like bush tea, like orange peel or mint or soursop leaf, but this morning I just feel like I want some coffee, Blue Mountain coffee. So you have the coffee that you have to add milk, and you have the 3-in-1 coffee that is already having sugar and milk. So all it needs is just water. So I'll just put my pouch of coffee in the cup and just pour in my hot water. I didn't bother to plug in any kettle. I just add the water on the stove just the same and just pour in. I don't use sugar, so whatever is in that mix, I will take my cup up a little more so that it don't sweet, because I really don't like sweet tea. And that's it for my breakfast. You can try it. It's just something simple. You get up, you don't want to look out for anything, you know, anything too hard. You just want something quick on your stomach. The sandwich is good for you because it having, you know, you have a little piece of tomato and a little piece of cucumber. The vegetable is good. So from my kitchen to yours, this is my breakfast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.